Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple chicken curry. So we have some cumin seeds, 2 cloves, 2 black pepper, 1 black cardamom and 1 bay leaves, and you can also add cinnamon stick. So we have grated garlic and grated onion and 2 grated onion, and this is tomato puree of 4 onions. And this is a 500-gram chicken. So firstly add 1 tablespoon of oil, and add bay leaf, cardamom, black pepper, and lastly cumin seeds. Add all these things, and after that add garlic paste and add onion, and saute these things until they turn golden, and saute these things about 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears, and saute these things very properly. So after that add tomato puree and mix it well, and saute the tomato paste and mix properly. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt as per your taste, and a half teaspoon of red chili, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and mix it well, and fry the tomato paste until it's completely turned mushy. Then add chicken and mix chicken and puree properly. Saute the mixture on a medium flame and until the mixture became thick and begin to smell good. And add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken turns pale, and mix it properly. Cover and cook on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the chicken absorbs the flavor. After that add water as needed. I am using 1 cup of water. Cover the chicken and cook on a low to medium heat, and it's took about 10 minutes. Lastly add half teaspoon of garam masala, and the chicken curry is ready to eat. Serve the chicken curry with rice, jeera rice, and a chapati. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.